Ula wa musili munene wa makoani na yingi wonanitye wendi wa kukitia kibila cha president na kyama cha UGM David Maraga niwatula mote President William Ruto kwa kuemwa ni kuthinikia thina wa Nzaa isioni la syikumbilitwe ni munyao vanthi ya Kenya. Aine naandikima mauvo musini wa mwingi kavinani kala wambiisya ndamboka yake kauntini ya Kitui nikana kuthuthya ene nthi kwiyandikithya atakuni makura Maraga niwaweta nthi ya Kenya Nesa kwikala ila ya Singapore ene nthi mayo maende na kunyamagwa ni Nzaa na munyao osya kimanzi no kuelesya
aine naandikima mauvo musini wa mwingi kavindani kala wambiisya ndamboka yake kauntini ya Kitui kuthuthya ene nthi kwiyandikithya atakuni makura Maraga niwaweta ni undu wa kumaja kuona Musumbi aimetwe ni kutethya ene nthi ala makunikite ni munyao va Kenya aivuthithya Musumbi kwa kwasya kana nthi ya Kenya ndiza kwikala ila ya Singapore ene nthi mayo mende kunyama ni Nzaa na munyao.
Wakati mifugo imeanza kukufa na hata wakati huo sasa nasungumusia wafanye mipango kitambo wamalize hiyo mipango mifugo itakuwa imekufa. Anazungumusia hiyo ni kuonyesha ya kwamba the president has no reality on the ground. We have been to these areas, we have those farmers and herders are crying. They are losing livelihoods. The president has no reality on the ground. He's talking about Singapore. Singapore, which is a mirage. You don't even talk of Singapore when your people are dying of hunger, when your people are losing their livestock, the only means of livelihood.
Huyo vo Maraga ayongera na kuetekana uruzanini thina munene wikumbilite Kenya na nikitumi nikiu kiaki kinene wirititie usumbi nikana kukitana na uruzani.
Kila pahali niwaambia tunauliza wananchi ni nini inawasumbua. Pahali hapa kote tumeenda iko watu wengine wanasema ile ugonjwa sugu Kenya ni ufisadi, wizi wa mali ya umma, na wananiambia in very very clear terms that they are electing me to go and deal with corruption family. They understand that corruption will not be dealt with unless there is political will from the top, and I am promising that I will do that exactly. In fact, that's the whole purpose why I came to this election.
Maraga ni atianite na tongo yangi mamuika evo mwandiki munene wa kyama cha UGM katuambua vala maendeana kuthuthya ene nthi na muno amuika kuyandikithya takuni makura behoza kwani munene ukite
twi musavala ni wa kuandikithya andu makwate kura na niki tukwasya andu meyumilie meyandikithye kura ni kana tuvindwe maundu ma ukamba thina situ sya kiwu thina situ sya juu mathina onthe metetwe nundu wa ung'ii wa mbesa situ.
Vijana, chukueni kura. Tumekuja kuambieni hivyo Kitui, chukueni kura na tumekuja kusaidia ili mchukue hizo kura mkuwe na sauti katika uchaguzi wa 2027.
Ngiri vote ya vilingu wa movo kuma musini wa mwingi kiliombunge ni cha mwingia katika undini ya Kitui osya kimanzi.